Did you know that by 2030, over 85% of jobs in the business world will require advanced analytical skills, or that the average MBA graduate earns a jaw-dropping 40% more than they did before their degree? But wait, here's the kicker. MSBA graduates are outpacing them in job placement rates, with demand for analytics professionals skyrocketing by 23% annually. In a world where data rules decisions and leadership drives change, choosing the wrong degree could cost you years of career growth and hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential earnings. So which path is right for you? Buckle up, because in the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into the shocking truths about MBA versus MSBA using real numbers, real data, and the insider scoop you won't find anywhere else. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ananya, and today we are dissecting both MBA and MSBA. MBA, or Master of Business Administration, has been the gold standard for professionals aiming to climb the corporate ladder. It focuses on business strategy, leadership, and management. On the other hand, the other degree, MSBA, or Master of Science in Business Analytics, is a more specialized degree. It teaches you how to analyze data to uncover trends, improve business decisions, and drive growth numerically. The MBA program covers a wide range of subjects from marketing, operations, human resources, finance, to strategic leadership. You will be analyzing case studies and working on projects to stimulate real-world business challenges. Meanwhile, MSBA programs are highly technical and data-driven. You'll be working on statistical modeling, machine learning, and tools like Python, R, and Tableau to solve real-world problems. For example, the Harvard's MBA curriculum focuses more on leadership and general management, while their own MSBA equivalent emphasizes advanced analytics and decision-making through data. Program cost and duration. Time and money are important factors. Most full-time MBA programs last 2 years, but you'll also find accelerated one-year programs like those at INSEAD or Kellogg. Costs: prepare to shell out $60,000 to $120K for top-tier programs. MSBA programs, on the other hand, are typically shorter, between 12 to 18 months. The tuition is also slightly lower, averaging to $40,000 to $80,000. However, MSBA students often require fewer living expenses because of the shorter duration. Now, what about post-graduation? MBA grads usually target leadership and general management roles like Chief Marketing Officer, Product Manager, or Business Consultant. Think McKinsey, Bain, and Amazon is the major recruiters for MBA talent in general. For MSBA graduates, the roles are more specialized owing to their own training, like data analyst, business intelligence analyst, or data scientist for that matter. While the starting salaries are lower compared to MBAs, averaging $85,000 globally, the demand for these data-savvy professionals is skyrocketing. One area where MBA grads excel is networking, emphasizing alumni networks, and top schools like Harvard, Wharton, and Stanford having a powerful global network that opens your door to leadership roles and mentorship opportunities. While the MSBA programs also provide networking opportunities that are often more niche, focusing on analytics professionals in specific industries like tech or finance. So what are the top 5 MBA and MSBA programs according to QS University Ranking 2025? The institution you choose can significantly impact your education and career trajectory. So these top 5 programs are MBA ones. Stanford Graduate School of Business, USA. Stanford maintains its position as the world's leading MBA provider, renowned for its emphasis on innovation and entrepreneurship. Top universities next is Wharton School, University of Pennsylvania, USA. Wharton is celebrated for its rigorous finance curriculum and extensive alumni network. Next up, we have Harvard Business School, USA. Harvard's case study approach and leadership training continue to attract global talent worldwide. Top universities next list: MIT Sloan School of Management, USA. MIT Sloan is distinguished by its analytical rigor and integration of technology in business education. Next up, we have the very famous London Business School, UK, offering a diverse international perspective with strong ties to the financial sector. Top 5 MSBA programs. First up, MIT Sloan School of Management, USA. MIT's Master of Business Analytics is acclaimed for its cutting-edge curriculum and strong industry partnerships. Next up, we have UCLA Anderson School of Management, USA. UCLA Anderson's program has its emphasis on data-driven decision-making and real-world applications. Next up, we have ESSEC or Central Supernec France. This joint program combines business acumen with engineering expertise, fostering a multidisciplinary approach which looks quite interesting, isn't it? Next up, we have Imperial College Business School UK. Imperial's MSBA program integrates business strategy with data analytics, preparing graduates like you for the evolving digital landscape. Next up, we have HEC Paris, France. HEC Paris offers a comprehensive program focusing on both quantitative and qualitative aspects of business analytics. Selecting the right program depends on your career goals, preferred learning environment, and the professional network you aim to build. Research each institution's offering to ensure alignment with your aspirations, or go through our top 10 MSBA and coming soon MBA analysis, wherein we talk about all of these programs in detail. The main deal, admission requirements and prerequisites. Let's talk about what it takes to get into these programs. For MBAs, most top programs require a solid GMAT or GRE score with averages around 720 for schools like Stanford and Wharton. You'll also need 3 to 5 years of professional work experience and a strong focus on leadership in your essays and recommendations. Whereas the MSBA programs, on the other hand, tend to prioritize your academic background and quantitative skills. They are looking for high GRE GMAT scores, though slightly lower than MBA averages, and strong grades in math-heavy courses like calculus, statistics, or computer science for that matter. While work experience isn't mandatory, many programs value internships or relevant projects. The demand for MBAs and MSBAs also varies by region. In the United States, the MBA remains king with over 2 lakh degrees awarded annually. Programs like Harvard, Stanford, and Kellogg are internationally renowned for producing corporate leaders. Whereas in Europe, the trend is shifting roughly. Like schools like Imperial and LSE have seen a surge in MSBA applications thanks to the rising focus on data-driven decision-making in finance and consulting. Meanwhile, closer home to Asia, where technology and analytics are booming, MSBA programs like NUS and Tsinghua are gaining massive popularity. Long-term career goal and flexibility. What does that have to say? So one question that many students ask is, what about long-term growth in general? MBAs tend to offer greater career flexibility. You can start as a management consultant, pivot to a startup, and eventually move into a C-suite role. MBA alumni report 30% higher chances of transitioning into leadership positions compared to non-MBAs, whereas MSBA graduates, while more specialized, are poised to grow with the rise of data-centric industries. With the global big data market expected to hit $500 billion by 2030, MSBA professionals are uniquely positioned to drive innovation in AI, predictive analytics, and business intelligence. So here's the big question. Do you see yourself leading organizations and driving business strategy, or are you excited about using cutting-edge tools to solve complex problems with data related to business? Whichever path you choose, remember, the best degree is the one that aligns with your passion and goals. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more career advice, and share your thoughts in the comments. MBA or MSBA, which one is your pick?